Hey guys, what is going on? So on today's video, we have another Ray-Ban video that we're gonna do. These are the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. I did an unboxing a couple weeks ago on these, and I decided that because they are the tinted glasses, I kind of want to use them for indoors, for like doing hunts and stuff like that. I feel kind of weird going into like Goodwills and stuff with sunglasses on. I think that I look a little sketchy. So what I ended up doing was, hold on. I went on Amazon and I purchased some replacement lenses that are transition lenses. And here they are right here. Can't even see you. They're polarized and everything goes away on the screen. So what we're gonna do is, let me take those off. I got these replacement lenses right here that are transition lenses that should fit directly into the Wayfarer. So they're clear, but they also transition to sunglasses. Now they don't say Ray-Ban or anything like that. They're not official lenses from Ray-Ban. Before I even put these in, let's run outside real quick to see if they transition over to shades. All right, let's go outside. Oh yeah, this is not right. Let's go like that. That way it's not so crazy for you. They are starting to change. Check it out. Definitely transitioned to shades. You could see the difference right there. And they're getting darker as we go, so perfect. How's that right there? Oh yeah, check that out. That is definitely a shaded glass. Let me go get the other one real quick and we're gonna compare it. All right, so this one is the one that is shaded and this one is not. So check out the difference right there. And yeah, definitely a transition lens. Yeah, this one's transitioning already. I don't wanna be staring directly at the sun. There they are right there. All right, so let's go inside and let's go ahead and pop these in and see how these are if they transition back to clear, because obviously that's what I want. I want to be able to go into a store and then them kind of clear out. So let's see how fast that takes. And I dropped it. They're already transitioning to a clear lens, so probably within a minute or two of being inside a store, we'll be clear again. All right, let's go ahead and get these in the Meta glasses. All right, so they give you this nice little case for your glasses, but really you probably won't use that very often. Maybe like if you're going from the store to your car or something, because the case that the Meta glasses give you is a charging case, and this is kind of useless, maybe for cleaning and whatnot. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pop out the original Ray-Ban glasses, lenses for the Wayfarers. And basically to do that, you're just gonna pinch here and they should just pop out. Just like that. Super simple. All right, we wanna get the next one. Just like that. So now let's see what that looked like. And they still work. But I'm not going into the store with no lens glasses. Cool. All right, so now that we got the glass lenses out, let's go ahead and pop in the new ones. And we're basically gonna go in reverse. Let's start at the bottom and we're gonna work our way in. They should just pop in, just like that. And boom. Check it out. And they fit perfect, nice and snug. Definitely. All right, I'm gonna put a link in the description to these. These are gonna be a Amazon affiliate link for these lenses. If you're interested in replacing 2 transition lenses, that way you can use these glasses inside and then they're gonna go ahead and not be tinted so you don't look like a crazy person. Come on. And that's it. Snippety snap. Wow, perfect. All right, I'm gonna use these lens cleaning wipes because I got my fingerprints all over them. Then I can also record on the inside when I'm doing some videos and stuff because these have zero distortion. They're not reader glasses. They're not like, because I can't see up close for the life of me. But if I'm recording, let's see, the light's gonna come on. All right, let's go ahead and start recording. So now we're recording. You can see I got that pesky light. That might be for another video. I watched some videos on how to remove that light, but we're not gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna go ahead and, as of right now, just deal with the light. I'm okay with that. I'm not gonna be recording any peoples. or anything like that, so I'm not too worried about the light itself. And if anybody asks, I'm just gonna tell them I'm recording. So that's it. That's how you replace the lenses from the original Ray-Ban lenses. You can see right there, it says Ray-Ban, to these Amazon transitional lenses. So they're clear right now. If I were to go outside, they're gonna go ahead and be sunglasses, which is pretty dang awesome. So now I can see stuff and record while I am in the shop and do some like unboxings and whatnot, or some YouTube shorts. So, all right guys, if you like this video, give it a like. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that black bell button. That way you get notified of all my newest videos. Till the next video, stay awesome. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.